How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. If you want to optimize your profile for business, content creation, or simply look more professional, this feature is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Now open the Facebook app. Once you have opened the Facebook app, simply navigate to your profile. You can simply do that by tapping on your profile icon. Once you are in your profile, simply tap on the three dots next to the edit profile button, and this will take you to your profile settings. Once you are in the profile settings, simply scroll down and tap on turn on professional mode. Now simply tap on turn on to activate it. Once you have tapped on turn on professional mode, you simply need to go through some steps to finish your professional mode setup. And whenever you are done, you can just go to your profile, and as here you can see the professional mode has been activated. You will see new options like performance insights, audience tool, monetization features. Explore this to understand how they can benefit you. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.